How to delete search history on Google Maps. Want to keep your Google Maps clean and private? Let's delete your search history step by step. So, step one, open Google Maps on your device, and then from here, go ahead and click on the menu button, which you'd basically find at the top left. And then from here, go ahead and look for settings. So, click on search settings, and then click on search history, and then as you can see, head over to maps. In here, select delete all time under this section, and all of your search history on Google Maps would then be deleted for the specific Google account. And that is how to delete search history on Google Maps.